So I'll be showing you how to turn on JavaScript in Safari browser on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but you can use these instructions for previous iPhones and iPads. So go to Settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to Safari, tap on that, and then under Safari, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Advanced. And then under Advanced, you should see JavaScript. If it's disabled, you're going to see this switch off. So to enable JavaScript, simply turn that switch on. And then now you can hit the back button all the way back to the home screen page and eventually back into Safari browser, having enabled JavaScript. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.